Hello makers. When working with some of the smaller parts that we find in our robots, I'm actually finding it difficult to see what I'm doing, particularly with my older eyes. So today I picked up this magnifier, so I thought I'll open it up and have a look. I purchased this in Bendigo from the local authorised distributor for Jaycar Electronics in Australia. You'll find it on the Jaycar website, $119. And it seems to be packaged reasonably. All recycled cardboard by the looks of it. Okay, so it's low voltage power adapter for 240 volt down to, what is that, 20 volt. Right, 20 volt output. This is a desk clamp type, so I can clamp to the back of my desk. There is a manual. I'll scan that in and put it on the video. And it is spring loaded. Okay, so the power supply plugs into here. Now this has got a three times diopter, or 3 times magnification. I'll just grab some power for it. Okay. Touch sensitive switch with 2 brightness levels. So doesn't look too bad, and seems to magnify quite well. So I'll see how it works in use. Okay, so I've now got it set up on my desk. The way it's set up, I can move it in and out into use as I need it. So to give you an example of how it looks, this is the receiver that I'm using for testing, and you can see how much it does actually make it clearer. So not a bad unit at all. The button where it's located when you reach, oops, sorry about that. When you reach down to open it up, its button is right here. It's a touch sensitive button, so you invariably turn it on as you open it, and turning it off as well as you close it. So that seems to work quite well. Now, one of the things that attracted to me, or I was attracted to it for, was while it's a 3 diopter, so only 3 times magnification, there is the option to replace the lenses in it. and Jaycar do sell lenses. So let me just bring that up. Okay, so this is the Jaycar website, www.jaycar.com.au. Not a real fan of their search engine, but if you know the part number, which is actually on the box, it's also on the lid of the lamp, so we can look at when you lift up the lid. It's listed under there. It's a 60 LED 20 volt DC 8 watt lamp, model number QM3554. So I did a search, QM3554, that's it there. You can get a base for it, costs another $99.95. You can also get a 5 diopter lens to replace the 3 diopter lens in it. That'll cost you an extra $12.95, and an 8 diopter lens. That'll cost you $19.95. So I may yet get those in to see how they go. I won't bother with the rolling base because I'll only knock it over and I haven't got the room for it. But you can see here that the lamp itself, the magnifying lamp, sells for $119. So that was one thing that attracted it to me, or attracted me to it. The other one was the fact that it was available in Bendigo. So when I took a trip into Bendigo today, I was able to pick one up. That'll do for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of these videos as they come out. Click on the notification bell so you're notified when these videos come out. And consider becoming a Patreon. I release videos early to Patreons. At the moment I'm 2 videos ahead. By the end of tomorrow I'm hoping to be 3 videos ahead of what YouTube has shown, or what I've shown on YouTube, available for Patreons to view. And we will see you in the next video.